The trading strategy we're discussing today utilizes a highly effective and efficient pullback trading tool. Hello everyone, what makes it interesting is that this strategy can be applied across various time frames, from scalping and day trading to intraday and even swing trading. So be sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for the latest updates. If you want to use this pullback trading strategy, the first step is to go to TradingView. From there, go to the Indicators tab and type Pullback Trading Tool ALT in the search bar. Select the Pullback Trading Tool ALT indicator by just Uncle L. Now set up the Pullback Trading Tool indicator. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Then, in the Style tab, remove any unnecessary visual clutter, just as I did. Once you're finished, click OK to save your changes. Bullish trend. If the trend is bullish and the price retests the MA, watch for a color change. After a rejection at the MA and a return to the bullish trend, the pullback is confirmed when the candle turns green. That's your signal to enter a buy trade. Bearish trend. In a bearish trend, the process is similar. When the price retests the MA, the candle will change color. If the price is rejected and continues in the bearish trend, the confirmation occurs when the candle turns red again. This signals a good time to enter a sell trade. Now let's add a second indicator that will act as a trend filter. Go to the Indicators tab and type MACD4C. Select MACD4C from the list. In the Input tab, adjust the settings as follows. Set the fast moving average to 50. Set the slow moving average to 100. Next, in the Style tab, change the plot style to columns for better visibility. Once done, click OK to save your changes. This MACD4C indicator will serve as a trend filter. If the MACD bars are green, it indicates a bullish trend, and if they are red, it indicates a bearish trend. How to place a sell entry. If the MACD4C indicator shows red bars, it indicates a bearish trend. Your focus should be on finding the best point to place a sell entry. Wait until the candlestick retests the MA area. After the retest and rejection, wait until the candlestick turns red again. Once it does, this confirms the pullback, and you can place a sell entry after the red candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing high, and use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your first take-profit target, and 1 to 2 for your second take-profit target. If the MACD4C indicator shows green bars, it indicates a bullish trend. In this case, your focus should be on finding the best point to place a buy entry. Wait until the candlestick retests the MA area. After the retest and rejection, wait until the candlestick turns green again. Once it does, this confirms the pullback, and you can place a buy order after the green candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing low, and use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your first take-profit target, and 1 to 2 for your second take-profit target. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more trading strategies.